A WordPress widget is a small block area of your WordPress site that does a specific function. This video is going to show you what a widget is and how you can put it to use for your WordPress site. Now, not all WordPress themes support widgets, but most of them do. And for the themes that do support widgets, there are what's called widget-ready areas that you can have your widgets in. Usually this widget-ready area is in the sidebars, but depending upon the theme, it can also be in the header area, the footer area, and even below the content area. I've even seen it to where it's inside of the content area as well. Now there's two different areas that you can go to manage your widgets. And to do that, you need to log into the dashboard area, and I've already done that here. And if you've never logged into the dashboard area or the admin section of your WordPress site, well, to do that, up here in the address bar of your browser, type in the URL to your WordPress installation, followed by a /wp-admin, hit enter. Then a box is going to pop up asking you for your username and your password. Go ahead and enter those, click on log in, and that'll bring you to this page here. Then over here on the left, hover over the word appearance, and in the flyout, you'll have this word that says widgets. Go ahead and click on that link. That'll bring you to the widgets management page. And over here on the right, you'll see the available widget ready areas. And again, this is theme specific. So if you are using a different theme than what I'm showing in this video, then this area might look a little different. But here under the primary sidebar,